Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to stop Scrivener 3 for Windows taking information from your Windows profile to put into template documents. In a previous video on the short story template, I mentioned that some of the information seemed to be coming from my Windows login. I was right. If you go to the File menu, General, and Author Information, you'll see why. It states this very thing in very faint lettering, in this theme anyway, down the bottom of the screen. So if you're going to be using any of the templates that require your name and address, and if you intend to use the comment feature and have your name come up correctly, you need to fill out this screen. At the very least, you should put in your name. Unfortunately, this will only work on future projects as far as the defaults are concerned. But it does work well, if you haven't managed to put an extra return into your address. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.